Thank you so much for joining. My name is Leslie Cruz Kelly, and this is the latest listing that I have in Soquel. You're not going to want to miss this. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, centrally located in Soquel. So come on, let's take a look. One of the many features that I enjoy about this home is the potential for multi-generational living. There's a ground level bedroom and a full bath. And if you ever have guests that are visiting from out of town and want to stay in their RV, there's a long driveway right here. One thing this place doesn't lack is outside area. So if you want to entertain, you have 2 decks to choose from, downstairs or up. So what did you guys think? I knew you wouldn't be disappointed in this beautiful home. So if you or anyone that you know is interested in buying in the Soquel area, reach out to me and my team. We're ready to be of service to you. Y como siempre, si hablas español, también estoy acá para servirlos. Bye.